or are categories of teams. Types of teams or are categories of teams. Types of teams or categories of teams. Okay, in brackets, in modern context. In brackets, modern concepts. In modern context. Small line. Literally, we can be observed. 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 Different kinds of teams. Different kinds of teams in a modern context. In a modern context. In a modern context. In a modern context. They are as follows. First one, problem solving teams. Problem solving teams. Problem solving teams. Problem solving teams. Second one, self managed teams. Self managed teams. Self managed teams. Self managed teams. Third category, cross functional teams. 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 Last category, virtual teams. Virtual teams. Virtual teams. Okay. What are you thinking? Already we have discussed types of groups. Already we have discussed. I think formal, informal. Remember? I think all of you remember. Formal, informal we have discussed. Okay. And then, yeah. Formal, informal we have discussed, and then friendship versus interest versus friendship groups we have discussed. We have discussed different kinds. Temporary versus permanent. Last one, emergent groups we have discussed. We have discussed different kinds of types. We have already focused on them. Now, in a modern context, we are talking. Nowadays, most of the companies, in a theoretical context, in the last class I spoke, in the practical sense I am telling you. Okay, mostly whatever things we are observing. In banking especially. In a banking especially, if the ATM is not working, some technical team is coming, immediately they are resolving. That team is nothing but problem solving teams. Problem solving teams. Sir, nothing sir, there is no problem sir, everything is cool sir. They will be idle. They will be idle. Whenever a problem occurs, immediately this squad will come. This team will come, immediately they will try to resolve them. That is a problem solving teams. Next is the self-managed teams. Self-managed teams are the teams where they are not depending on anybody. They have enough capability. They have enough capability to resolve whatever problem comes. Okay, they know technically well, theoretical context well, they know how to manage. Okay, problem solving in the sense where they are not depending on anybody. They will come, they will resolve. No, they can't wait for anybody. If anything happens, they know how to manage themselves. Very experts. Example, I can tell you, any manager level teams are there. Those kind of people fall in the self-managed teams. They know how to manage. Okay, that is second category. And cross-functional. Cross-functional. What does it mean of cross-functional? Cross-functional in the sense? What does it mean of cross-functional? For example, we have MBA. We have our team is an MBA team. Or suppose if the pharmacy student wanted to know about any management meaning or management something, if they wanted to know anything, immediately our team will go there, they will work for 7 days. That is no way connected to us, even though circumstances created like that, circumstances demanded like this. So therefore, our department going there, they're working. Similarly, suppose what I can tell you, our students, they wanted to know, we wanted to know the blood groups. Immediately, those team, they came here for your senior batch. They came here immediately, they checked and everything. Team came. Cross-functional. They are coming here, working, and we are going there and we are solving their problem. Okay? That is a cross-function. My work, I can take care. Their work, they can take care. That is not cross-functional. Okay? In case of emergency, sometimes we will go there, they will come here, likewise. That is called cross-functional. Okay? Last one is a virtual. Virtual. I am not giving that much lengthy meanings because already we have discussed in the last classes. You know, last one is about virtual. Virtual team census. Do you know what is the meaning of virtual? Virtual means VIRTUAL. Virtual? No, not natural. Virtual means imaginary. Or virtual means, what I can tell you, they may not be present physically, but somewhere they located somewhere, they are resolving your problem. How they resolving it? Through technology. Okay, through technology. Virtual teams are the people, they are not coming to your door physically for resolving problem, but somewhere they are, even though they are resolving your problem. So tell me example. Many more examples are there. If any problem occurs in the sense, team, what I can tell, team, they themselves are involving through technology. Physical presence is not there. Physically they are not coming for resolving anything. Okay? Virtually they are, we don't know exactly who they are also, even though they are resolving our problems. Okay? Those kind of things called the virtual teams. Okay? Normally we can be observed problem solving teams. For example, I told you, when the ATM machines got repaired, those teams are coming. Okay? Self-managed teams, manager level cadre, they know they have enough capability. Cross-function here in this college, here we have seen cross-function. Okay? Even till today also we are watching. Virtual results as of now not. For example, in case if any two faculties somewhere in New Zealand, we require their help. They will work on behalf of the college, but they are not coming here, even though they are resolving. Okay? That is a